Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because I have a wonderful recipe I cannot wait to share. These Cool Whip cookies are just extraordinary, and they only take 4 ingredients. They're absolutely scrumptious. They're soft and chewy and delicious, and they're really pretty. They look super cute laid out on a cookie sheet, baked in the oven. Before we get started on our recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. These are the ingredients we're going to need to make these wonderful cookies. Some zero sugar Cool Whip, zero sugar cake mix, 1 egg, and some powdered sugar. You can use Swerve replacement powdered sugar or the real thing. I have my egg in the bowl and I'm going to add in the entire cake mix. This recipe is so easy. And then I'm going to add in the entire container of the zero sugar Cool Whip. Now let's get this mixed up. Start off on low so you don't throw the cake mix powder all over the place. Now that I have my dough all mixed up, I'm just going to take a cookie scoop and I'm just going to go ahead and scoop up a scoop of this dough and drop it right in to the powdered sugar or powdered sugar substitute. Then I'm just going to toss it around until it's coated nicely. A fork is the best thing to use for this because you can pick it up and shake off the extra and it falls right through back into the bowl. And now I'll put this on our parchment paper lined tray. You want to leave a little bit of room in between so that the cookies can spread. Then just keep moving right along, one cookie after another until the tray is completely full and all of your dough is used up. I have 2 trays of cookies ready to go to the oven. We're going to put our cookies into the oven and bake them at 350 for 9 to 13 minutes. The cookies are out of the oven and they smell absolutely amazing. I store these cookies on wax paper in an airtight container or a zip top bag in the refrigerator or the freezer. That keeps them nice and soft and nice and chewy for whenever you're ready for them. I'm so happy you're here today and I really appreciate it. I would be so happy if you subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.